Welcome to another video from 88 Rotors Off-Road. Today's video will be on a 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma, but here's a Tundra and a 4Runner that we're finishing up before pulling in that Tacoma. This Tundra here is in for a body mount job. This white 4Runner that you see to the left had a full package done. Check out our previous video posted for that one.
I hate to stare at you through these lights, so I wait for you, wait for me, wait for you, wait for me. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say
Here's a 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma that we'll be working on. This one's getting a Bilstein and OME lift setup, and we're installing 285 75 16 tires on his TRD off-road wheels, and we're adding on spacers for full clearance.
I wanna know you inside and out. Wanna know what's behind the light. Wanna feel that real love from within. Let me in. I want real love, real heights. You're just enough to get me through. Get me through. 'Cause you're for surely perfect for me. Wait for you.
I'm all night thinking, passing the time, waiting. You're mine, losing and winning. I can't get it right. Hoping you see me from more than the stars.
Am I on your mind? Will you come meet me and change my life?
Here's a single add-a-leaf system that we're going to be using to lift the rear about 1.5 to 2 inches. As you can see, the owner of this truck had some fun with it already. You can see some of the mud that's already caked on under here. And here's the bare metal BMC unfinished on the Tundra. And here it is with a fresh coat of paint. Give it a few days and it's gonna match the rest of the undercar. And here we are with a set of 32mm wheel adapter spacers on all 4 corners.
I wanna know your dark side. I wanna know your secrets. I wanna be your lifeline. So I wait for you, wait for me, wait for you, wait for me. Tell me you're more than just a highlight.
Here's a closer look at the Bilstein 5100 and OME lift spring installed. Here are the wheels going back on with the new tires. 285 75 16 BF Goodrich KO2.
Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm
For those that like the way the factory TRD off-road wheels look, here's a good way to beef up the suspension and run larger tires.
This is artificial.
Want to get this done to your Tacoma? We're located in the city of South El Monte, California, about 20 minutes east of downtown LA. If you want this done, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email at sales@88rotors.com.
Up all night thinking, passing the time.